Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. Man, I'm making a fool on this grill, y'all. Yeah, y'all be talking about the damn cowboy cave. Check it out, y'all. This how I'm doing on my cowboy cave, y'all. Yeah, check me out, y'all. Check out this grill, though. Bam! Look at that grill, smoking like a chimney, y'all. Woohoo! Man, let's see what's in this bad boy. Oh my lord. Hold on, y'all. Let me let y'all see what's on it. You see the wood smoking. Bam! Ooh, look at that. Look at that rib, y'all. You see it pulled away from the bone. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see it smoke. You see the smoke in it, y'all. Let me add this barbecue sauce on this bad boy, y'all. Made up my good old barbecue sauce. You see it got the seasoning in it, y'all. I ain't playing no games. That bitch was smoking. Ooh, look at that real baby. Ooh, look at that. I already pulled away from that bone. Good. Look at that over here. Ooh, I'm just letting that smoke get in there, y'all. Add this sauce on it. Check me out. Okay.
I was shooting everybody. I was aiming them too. I know how to do it now.
Oh, okay. I gotta get good. You like it? Look
Yeah,
at
I
it.
like it.
Do you see the star? That's off my patio. Do you see it? Yeah, Cowboys, baby. All the way. This how you represent Cowboys. Yeah. Cowboys, baby. Ain't playing no games. We represent. This year is our time, baby. You can hate all you want. If you don't like it, go to another channel. I don't play no games. This Cowboys over here. Shoot. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I see what it say on the truck, Cowboys. Yeah, I'm representing all the way, baby. Oh yeah, back to these reels, y'all. I ain't playing no games. Oh, oh, look at that, y'all. Look at them reels, y'all. I ain't playing no games, man. Y'all better please subscribe, cause I ain't playing no games. Look at that, y'all. Look at this one. Look at that sauce. Ooh, look at that bone on it. Do you see it? Do you see it? I ain't playing no games. Please subscribe. We trying to get up to two. You did. Sure, I ain't playing no game. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, let me zoom in for you. Do you see it, y'all? Do you see that piece? I want to just rip it off and eat it. Look at that bone. Yeah, it pulled away. Looking good, y'all. Wood chips almost gone. I'm ready to eat. Please subscribe. I'm on that thing. I'm in that thing. Like swimwear. Yeah. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Look at these ribs. Look at these ribs. Look at these ribs. Do you all look like a plan? Check out these ribs. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Peace out. Be safe all the time. Yes, sir. I say, yes, sir. Look at that. Man, I ain't playing no game. This is what you call seasoned ribs. Playing no games, y'all. Shoot. Cook my own stuff. Yes, sir. Peace out. God bless.